Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Calum Scott here. That is probably not a new name for you. He's been here on this channel before. Great artist, and he has this song called Die For You. Alright, so it's a nice song and it goes pretty straightforward when it comes to the playing. This is piano based, okay, so I'm gonna give you just straight downs as an alternative to handle this on a guitar. That is usually the case when it comes to piano-based songs of this nature, but we'll also look into a strumming pattern that comes and pops out later in the song. So we have two versions of it. Let's go into the setup here. We have the capo on fourth, absolute best scenario for us, and with that, 4 chords that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. Let's take a look at the chords, starting with D. So D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is A, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have E minor as the third chord, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally, we got the G. And G goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so I mentioned the piano playing, so to speak. We have just straight downs, and you're gonna play 4 downs per chord in the same order we learned the chords. So D4, A4, E minor 4, and G4. You can just do that from the beginning till the very end. Actually, let's go for a round like this. Somewhere around that tempo, that is how you play it. Very, very easy. Now, like I said, later in the song, I think about 1 minute and 35 seconds in, this strumming starts to pop out there, and it gets a little bit dominant, and we're gonna look into that now. So let's grab the first chord, D again, and let's learn the strumming. It goes like this for 1 round. Okay, so you're gonna start with 2 downs first. Okay, and then comes down, up, down. So down, 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 up, down. And then you just finish off with down, up, down, up. And that ends the strumming for 1 round. So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And you're gonna play 1 of these per chord, same chord progression of course, and it sounds like this. And that would be my choice of strumming if I would choose to play Calum Scott's Die For You, a great song. And if you want to learn a song that just like and it happens to be this one, then go for it. Very easy chords. Buy this capo. If you haven't one, then just use the same chords I told you here. They are easy to grab and learn. It will sound a little darker if you play without capo, but anyway, you still perform it. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope that helped. And if you want to support me, you know how. You subscribe to this channel. You maybe leave a comment. I read everything, so that is highly appreciated. And you come back for next upload. Thank you so much, guys. Play tuned.